Children, in the previous class, we have seen a lesson which consists of 3 different hobbies. That is, one person, he has got the hobby reading, he has become a writer, and second person is interested in painting and has become a great painter and artist, and the third one, she is interested in carom and she has become the international champion. So, hobby leads to them to select the successful careers. Now, here, a poet, he says, his hobby is reading. In this unit, first lesson, poetry and supplementary are related to each other. The lesson we are studying about hobby means poem also hobby, related to the hobby, as well as non-literary also related to, that is supplementary also related to the same one only. Okay, yeah. Now we have to see the poem. What's the poem? It is my hobby. It is not memory poem, very simplest poem only. Okay, yeah. In this poem, generally, what are the things we have to see. If it is memorator, we have to learn the poem, or else you just go through just take pencil in your hand, then whatever I say, rhyming pair, rhyming scheme, you have to do. Clear? So far in the lower classes, 6th and 7th and all, you would have studied what is rhyming pair. In 8th standard, you have to see rhyming scheme also. Pair is between 2 sentences. The scheme is maybe 8 sentence or 4 sentence, 6 sentence, according to the questions what they are given. Rhyming scheme. It doesn't mean the same order. Rhyming pair, the same order only. No, it may be different pair. So let us see now. My hobby, reading. My hobby is reading. It helps me in thought breeding. My hobby is reading. It helps me in thought breeding. So let me write in 2 ways. So one is, my hobby is reading. It helps me in thought breeding. First, we'll go for the first 3 lines. My hobby is reading. What is your hobby? Here the poet says his hobby is reading. The poet is Arunachalam Chandrasekharan. What's the poet name? Arunachalam Chandrasekharan. He said, my hobby is reading. Yes, certainly his hobby should be reading only. Then only he has become a writer. He wrote this poem to us. Okay, my hobby is reading. It helps me in thought breeding. So because of reading, the ideas are breeding. Breeding means what? Multiple. Because of his reading, his ideas are multiple. So he presents this poem to us. Okay. Here what is the rhyming pair? Reading, breeding. Okay. Next, it takes me. This is maybe first stanza. We are going to the second one. It takes me to places near and far. It keeps my rational dosage. Dose ajar. So it takes me to places. Which takes him to places? Hobby. His reading hobby takes him to the places near and far. Because of reading, he moves to nearby places as well as far off places. Far off means what? Long. It keeps my rational deeds ajar. It keeps my rational dose ajar. Rational means what? Intelligent. Because of reading. Reading makes a man perfect. He has become intelligent. It opens the jar like. To crackle and cry without wings. Then it teaches me to cackle and cry Without wings, it lets me fly. I wish if all the children could read, in constructing a vigorous society. Vigorous. Then we shall succeed. Okay, yeah. So, okay, my hobby is reading. It helps me in thought breeding. Whose hobby is reading? That is the poet. What's his poet name? Arunachalam Chandrasekharan. So, his hobby is reading. His hobby helps him in thought breeding. Because of reading, you got lot of ideas. It breeds how the organism multiples like that. It multiples. It takes me to places near and far. The hobby take him to the places. What are the places it takes? To nearby places as well as far off places. It keeps my rational dose ajar. So keeps my rational. Rational means what? Intelligent. It keeps my rational dose ajar. Rational, what is it? Intelligence. Dose ajar. Ajar means open. His intelligence spreads, it opens. It teaches me to cackle and cry. The hobby teaches him to cackle and cry. Cackle means what? Laugh and cry. Sometimes he laughs, sometimes he cries due to emotion, the feelings. Without wings, it lets me fly. Even the birds only can fly because it has wings and feathers. But here, the poet also fly without wings. So which makes him to fly like that? The hobby, that reading hobby makes him to fly. I wish if all the children could read, then what is the desire of the poet? If every child reads, that is throughout the India, that is every child reads, certainly they could construct. Construct means what? Making of a vigorous society, that is educated society. A big society which consists of only educated children. Then we shall succeed. Then India will get success in all the works. So what is it? Reading. Because of reading, it makes him to fly, it makes him to laugh, it makes him to cry. If everybody reads and everybody has become a writer, a poet, a well-learned man, certainly the nation will be a biggest one, and the learning children can make a vigorous society. Vigorous means what? Powerful society. Clear? Simple poem only it is. So, who is the poet? Arunachalam Chandrasekharan. Here it's given for us. What is the hobby of the poet? The answer. What you will say for that? What is the hobby? Reading. So, you have to take up from the question. The hobby of the poet is reading. One word answers. Poem and all, you no need to strain. You can learn. You can take up the answers from the question itself. What does ajar means? Ajar means slightly open. His knowledge is slightly open. Can the poet fly without wings? Yes, the poet can fly without wings. Which makes him to fly? The reading makes him to fly. What can children do to society if they read? If the children read, they can construct a vigorous society. What is the theme of the poem? Everybody should be educated. Everybody should have the reading habit. Everybody should have hobby. The hobby may be their own, but the hobby should be useful. Clear? So here the sum of the words are given to you. So we have to see what are the rhyming pair here. Rhyming pair means two sentences same, reading and breeding. These are the rhyming pair. What are the thing? Reading. The same, pronounces, same means we can say what? Spellings different, but pronunciation is same means that is rhyming pair. Whereas rhyming scheme means reading. A, me. This is different word. So we have to say B. And again what? Breeding. So A. So rhyming scheme is first three lines A, B, A. Or else you can write A, B, A. What is the rhyming scheme? A, B, A. How we are finding rhyming scheme? So we are taking three lines. Reading. One, me, other one not same, so we are giving B. Breeding, the same pronunciation, so A. So what's the scheme there? A, B, A. The second four lines we will see. It takes me to places near and far. Place, A, far, B, rational, C, ajar, D. What is the rhyming scheme here? Everyone is different. Ajar, far. So this may be B. Jar, far. So first one is places. A. Far. Different word it is B. Rational. Different so C. Jar. Ajar. Far. Ajar. So the rhyming scheme is here. What is the rhyming scheme? A. B. C. B. You have to write first like this. You have to find out what are the thing. And then we are making a scheme. If it is pair, what you have to write? For ajar. That's all, only two. Clear? Next we will go for this. It teaches me A. Cry. B. Wings. C. Fly. B. So here what is the rhyming scheme? A, B, C, B. Rhyming pair means cry, fly. Okay, I wish if all the children could read it in constructing a vigorous society, then we shall succeed. Nothing is seen. What's the rhyming scheme here? Reach, society, succeed. Both are different. So the rhyming scheme is A, B, C. Clear children? Do you follow? Rhyming pair, the same pronunciation between the two sentences, that is pair. The whole paragraph you have taken either 4 lines or 5 lines, that we are saying the ending words you have to see. If it is same, the same will be. Different means you have to give different numbers and we are writing A, B like that. Clear? Other poet is there, a tiny little poet. You have to write what are the things. Deep in the heart of a little seed lay buried so deep, a tiny little plant fast asleep. Here what is there? Seed. This is our poem. Any doubts in this? Do you follow? Shall I go for the other one? A tiny little seed will go for the last answers only. So open the book. It's an example just to follow what is rhyming scheme, what is rhyming pair. It's in page number 55. This is an exercise. Deep in the heart of a little seed lay buried so deep, then a tiny little plant fast asleep. Okay, first 3 lines. Then out came the bright sunshine, down kept its light, into the sea too bright. A plant woke up to see how bright the world might be. Last ending words only we are taking. Clear? So what's the thing? list the rhyming words in the first three lines. First three lines. What are the three lines? Deep in the heart of a little seed. Deep in the heart of little seed. Lay buried so deep. A tiny little plant. So, what's the question here? List the rhyming words in the first three lines. So, seed, deep, asleep. Here, there is no rhyming word. So, what's the rhyming word? Deep, asleep. Seed will not come to this category. Here, deep, asleep, both are pronounced as same. So, what is the rhyming words here? Deep and asleep. Next one. Next question is what? Which word in the poem rhymes with light? So, yes, see. Which word in the poem rhymes with light? Light, bright. So, what is rhyme with the light? Bright. You have to write bright. This is the word rhyme with light. So, you know what is rhyming scheme and what is rhyming pair, isn't it? Next one it's given. It's in page number 56. Actually, you have to do. But anyway, just did on board, just say. Identify the rhyming scheme. What you have to identify? Rhyming scheme. Scheme, you know. What is it? You have to say now. My dog like bones. He eats them up. He is very sweet. He is just a pup. What is the rhyming scheme? First line is, my dog likes bone. Second line, he eats them up. Third line, very sweet, pup. Bones, entirely different word, A. Up, B. Sweet is also different, C. Pup, up, pup, both are same, so B. What is the rhyming scheme here? What's the order there? A, B, C, B. This is the rhyming scheme. Okay, the same like next one is given. Peas for each art, peas for each cold. That is A and B. B. Heart is A, B is cold. The same like you have to write your own. Just think over and write. It serves in a pot, it gives me glad. So, pot, glad. So, what's the rhyming word? A, B, A, B. Like that we can write. So, you know what is rhyming pair and what is rhyming scheme. So, we have completed the second unit. First unit is over already. We have completed the second unit. Only supplementary I have to take. Let me take in other class. Okay. Thank you, children.